Hi, lady developer there. I want to show you what I'm planning to do, so you will have a clue about my project. This is my electronic load version 2. I have created it using ERF3205 power MOSFETs and on op-amp comparator. The MOSFETs are controlled with 12-volt logic, and it has like a little screen. What I want to do is to create a new electronic load using this TTGO ESP32 module. As usual, I have bought it on AliExpress. I want this new electronic load device to be accessible via Wi-Fi, control all the parameters, generate cool graphs, and so on. Also, I want to make it fully programmable to get different features, for example, constant voltage, constant current, constant power, voltage level to stop, time to stop, and so on. I think this ESP32 can do all of these features. This old version 2 device is not able to do such things. In order to do that, I'm going to use this RFZ44 MOSFET, and they have less threshold voltage for its gate. My measurements show that these particular MOSFETs can open at 2.5 volts, and because we want to use them as a load in linear mode, we will need even less voltage. For the next steps, after checking this idea and maybe some other ideas, I'm going to develop a schematic and PCB for this device, write the software part for my ESP32 and build this load. So at the moment I have to check that I can control this MOSFET without a driver, and also I need to think how can I improve the accuracy. Probably I will stick with shunt, or maybe I could use current sensor. There are many things to do in order to complete this project. So don't forget to check your ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe.